Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. In search of jobs, multitude of unemployed youths rushes to Nepal. Union Minister visits West Khasi Hills district. Storm hits Arandonga, leaving families homeless. And Shillong district jail to relocate to central jail. Another news in detail. There is not a day that the young people of the state do not worry about their career. Jobs are available but not satisfactory. The struggle is real for the youth who jump from one place to another applying for any vacant post available. The state is overflowed with unemployed youths. Leaving no stone unturned, on the 18th of May, thousands of young people gathered in Nepal Northeastern Police Academy to apply for a contract basis job, which includes for the post of LDC, stenographer, halwai and swimming coach. Bhagwant Khuba, Union Minister of State, New and Renewable Energy, Chemicals and Fertilizers, on the 18th of May, visited West Khasi Hills district to meet with the officer of the district. The meeting was held in the conference hall of the DC office and the officers discussed on development projects that are funded and sanctioned by the central government. After the meeting, Bhagwant Khuba met with the different village administrators in the district. He also visited the Anganwadi Center in Maukawa and Sipsing School in Mauklam Nongpendeng.
So every citizen is now getting benefit of central government as well as state government. So today I have reviewed all the department schemes. Very much I am satisfied with the schemes implementing here state government and district administration, and they have some challenges and problems. We have addressed how to tackle those challenges and problems. So my best wishes to the district administration and citizen of this district. Thank you.
Yes, sir. We mobilize, we create awareness, create more consciousness to them, sir, to change the mindset, to change with the change of time.
Next time these challenges should be addressed by you.
Yes.
There is no question of keeping pending.
Yes, yes. Just on our part, on the part of the community, sir, on this area.
Can I ask? Sir, I was here now for more than 6 months. One issue which affects not only this team, because of the Adanga. And we are trying our level best to create awareness and when for come mood, stay in a place for enrollment. Still the people are slow to accept because of various reasons. One reason is religious belief. So it will take time, sir. And in what I see, this will be the main issue we have to address. Because unless the Aadhaar card is needed, that will be issue in getting the central point also, sir.
It is district administration responsibility. You have to be more speed and more cope up with the issues what facing present.
95% of the land is owned by the private, by the individual communities. So we have programs when we implement community assets, like NRL. The wetland is with the individual household. Almost even the stream, the rivers are in the individual land. Then even when we create physical assets like academic sectors, like some building, training building, so we have to negotiate for the land. Even when we do afforestation, even when we do the other NRL work, we have to deal with it.
A cyclonic storm hit on 18th May destroyed several houses of people in Arandonga Garo Hills. As per the reports from sources, the cyclonic storm hit the villages around 9 p.m., destroying many houses, uprooting trees and causing damages to plantations, blocking roads and pathways, etc. The previous day also, Arandonga village was hit by a storm and destroyed homes of few people residing in the area. Their houses were totally damaged and therefore, as a ray of hope, NGOs of the area like AYWO distributed food to the needy and homeless. AYWO Arandonga Regional Branch reached out to the needy with food, ration and cash, exclaimed the organization.
AYW Arandonga Regional Branch ni kita daal sal ni bakko jikia sangma aro grebula morak ni nokko menjatam balwarak balwa mukhabalwarak kanesel sekarang hau ni gemencinga bang abang dija bisongna dilip na kata singa dak cakani ko dalo ya miapuna riba
ya kon deke urwena nang sendo.
With the intention to relocate the cell for convicts in Shillong District Jail due to space constraint to the central jail, which is newly constructed, the Deputy Chief Minister of the State, Snyabalang Dahar, Minister in charge of Urban Development, on the 18th May, visited the Shillong District Jail along with concerned officers. On the same day, the officers also visited the Meghalaya State Transport Corporation MTC located in Police Bazaar. The Deputy Chief Minister expected the completion of the building within 2 years' time.
Today I visit the jail, Shillong jail. So we have decided to shift the jail from the city to the new Shillong area. That is priority. So before I finalize, so I feel it's appropriate for me to visit, and I visit today. So decision has been taken. We will shift this Shillong jail towards the new area, new township area.
Status to the central jail,
No status. I already said we'll shift it. That is the status. Finalize. Just to shift.
When did it start? We will start.
It will take time. First decision has been taken. And number two, we will construct the new jail. When the new jail construction is over, we will shift everything there. And the urban will take over the land. Urban will give jail land, and jail will take our land from the urban department. That is the reason. And it's high time for us to shift all this thing to outskirts city. It look good, no? Let the city remain peaceful. Let the city remain good, nice and clean. That's I want as a minister of urban affairs. Yeah, this one is a normal visit as a transport minister. So I just want to update this project. I'm very happy the projects went very smoothly and under progress. And I will try to make sure. That within 2 years this building should be handed over.
This new jail in the new Shillong area, how many inmates can you?
25 acres. 25 acres and 1,000 capacity. And the old one only 120.
With the support of the Dream Foundation and Baichung Bhutia Football School, A friendly match was held in the opening of the Dare to Dream Academy in Shillong on the 18th May. Interestingly, at almost the end of the match, parched and exhausted, the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma asked a journalist named Lam to substitute him at the friendly match. The main motive of this academy is to discover young talents interested in the field of football. Present and supporting the initiative includes the co-founder of Dream Foundation, Mr. Bhavit Sheth, a renowned footballer of India, Baichung Bhutia, and others.
Future of football in Meghalaya, especially Meghalaya.
See, if you look at the overall picture even now, whether it's the under 17 or even at the senior level, a large number of players are actually from Northeast. And you have to realize that these talents have come out almost wrong, which means that they have come out on their own and they did not have the necessary support in infrastructure. So in spite of not having that, still there were a large number who made it to the national team. So you can imagine that if we are able to provide scientific and proper training and the necessary infra to them, it will be a game changer. So the future is huge. We have a lot of people who are talented, not just in football, but in sports in general, in different disciplines. And we expect that not just in football, but in many areas, in the coming years and many years to come, that Northeast will contribute immensely to overall sports sector in the nation as a whole. And we hope that our players will be able to contribute to the national football team. And we hope that one day India will start qualifying and obviously will start winning and hopefully win the World Cup also. So obviously our dream is big, but it starts with small steps, and we feel that
Meghalaya state footballers, and they've gone to the finals of Santosh Trophy, in fact, which is a big achievement, you know, from a state from Northeast. I think they were the ones who went on to qualify. So yeah, I think that shows that Meghalaya football is definitely has got potentials, but I think we still need to do much more from the grassroots.
Any plan apart from this football to in other sports?
So we are planning to do that. So what exactly happens, India is trying to develop in sports. Every state government, central government, everybody is trying to contribute towards sports. What we are thinking, where there is a gap, so we don't want to duplicate what the government is already doing, but if there is a gap, how to support the athletes, because to match the international standard, they need something more in terms of support, whether it is equipment, whether it is infra, whether it is foreign training, whether it is the nutrition, everything. So we are trying to collaborate with each and every government. Where there is a gap, we just want to fill in, so that everywhere, in every sport, not only football, we have a cricket academy with Dilip Venk Sarkar, we have a boxing academy with Mary Kom. So we are also planning to expand our horizon. So there is a plan for sure. So we want to do any kind of sports development in the entire nation.
With the aim to celebrate the World No Tobacco Day, which is universally celebrated every year on the 31st of May, students of the Alpha English High Secondary School, Nongpo, set off for a rally against the consumption of tobacco. With a loud voice, young students, boys and girls, took part in the rally against the use of tobacco, which prompted the people around to listen and witness what the young students have to say and show. The students were accompanied by the teachers who guide them and keep a check on their safety. Speaking to the media persons, the teacher exclaimed that tobacco is injurious to health, emphasizing the effects that drug can have on human health and on the society as a whole.
Main motive trong kani karali ni kawai kade kung bapili mo ang World No Tobacco Day. Main motive ni kade ba in spread ka awareness ba tobacco is injurious to health. Tobacco habang ang tobacco kam sumot mo ang tang cigarette ki iba-iba ang mushkat mo ata what ukwai rude ata including kakiat kaya main motive ka jini kada iba niyan banshu ban abi ka awareness yung ba it's not good kamlong healthy hindi tang makata tang what yun nang di what ikibaring man si mer kuleer pela dang ipet ng tamo causes of cancer kada naka-8 because of tobacco. Ladang hipit ba, I don't know exactly ngamla ban batay exactly ka no ka percentage tang ba ay nganget ba ngitip mangipuli hiro ba most of the causes of cancer is because of tobacco. Abani sure bang hindi kani karali na adan pa ka ngi kmi lenti ka hop jungi ka dai ba ki brio kin sung tho ba kam dai kani ka kam dai ka babah te nang ta de long bakin sung tho kan mo ba ndai tam ba ong bakta ya ka health nganget ba meta ki don ki bala ban yo ki don ki ba ha ka jing yo ka jing kon dai teng ka short kum ki bala long addicted yo let's say ka short no ka fan ha ka benta pendap hi ha sem ki gila pendap no ha kini ki benta mo I think that is also one of the main reason kan
Tikai ku bora ne ka message na klang yo pi pin pa cha ba nang ba kan ni ka
we ka jingkan tu ki pat ba kalong ba finshim kya ya kan ni that smoking and everything included tobacco is injurious to health.
The first T20 cricket tournament inter-village organised by the Umran Youth Group Nyang Bernai came to an end on the 18th of May in a final match between Nyang Bernai Cricket Club against Maoyong. About 20 cricket teams participated in the tournament, but only Nyang Bernai Cricket Club and Maoyong reached the finals. Maoyong secured 78 runs, whereas Nyang Bernai lost with 44 runs. The former was declared victor and received a sum of 1 lakh rupees, whereas the latter received a cash prize of 40,000 rupees. Present in the event includes Jason S. Maulong, former MLA of Umsning, headman Ba Stefan Kharbani, Hoping Kurba, leaders of the youth group and many spectators.
But come tam pigi players. Bargadong ay ping at try kadek ayom, but gini gising at try jan meet at try baru khoi ngepek ma in the Premier League. Grenam day. Ma. Tinggal nget ma ba pia support we team. Katu kapit iya pi shisha ba kumbakren iba ping ba ka cricket hang ni po ka region ni kadon shisha kham halor kham hakmat bani wiki sports amar ka ji jonga kolong ba pila kan kamai ka ji pila kan ruspa ba man ka janmit ni yapek ma ki team ki prepare ku be le ka na ka poch ko por tenga nget ba phi pinshim ya ka nuksa ni kini ba balik ki pol sakmat ngai ka try ka di ka jing tre sitom ka di ka jing le re ku mong iba ping But kata ka papilong discipline. Hakan ka benta papi yale kai. Don't playing to people sutra beli kai cricket. Don't playing to song ni ka sutra beli kai football. Pada pidi belong kita ku benar. Kibat tristom. But pidi menbu kata katong hakmat. But nget to kani kan ai min semi pi we. Ba na kapor sa kapor ba hindi ta kaseng samlam nget ki we Shillong ru. Pipelong ni kini ki tournament ki prepare. Ki football, ki cricket, bang iyo, bang kini kun samla yo bat pi kata talent, yo pi kata sub, bat nganget ba pinmi pala kai hindi tang nang madan bat kiwi madan bat yo pan represent pin wara ya ta kanam kaburam hindi tang kayeng ka samsung ladi ya ka district pa ka jelahi bar ko way tinganget ba pi bar ko padan ni we pi we to ya minot to treshitam na belong discipline.
Beliau rap sah. Long mat leh, profil bah.
On a fateful morning of 18th May, A Bolero SUV collided with an auto rickshaw on the Asanang Rongram Road in West Garo Hills, and the collision resulted in the death of the auto rickshaw driver, leaving 2 injured passengers behind. As per reports received, the Bolero was recklessly speeding down the road while it collided head-on with the auto rickshaw, causing a catastrophic impact. The force of the collision was such that it led to the tragic death of the auto rickshaw driver. The mishap victim was identified as Jenda CH Marak from Machu Rigere village. Emergency services and local authorities rushed to the scene shortly after the accident was reported. The injured passengers were quickly provided with medical attention and then shifted to the nearby Asanang Medical Center for further treatment. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.